Hi everyone, I'm Arthur, and I'm happy to present new features of the DSO plugin. Now you can transfer styles between files in bulk and relink all instances and styles in the file to new masters. Let me show you how it works. I have a design system with a lot of different components and local styles, and now I want to move all my styles in a separate file so I can use them between multiple different libraries. I am opening the plugin, going to the Color Styles tab, selecting all my styles with a hotkey and choosing the Export from the context menu. To import styles, I am going to the External Styles file, choosing again the Styles tab and pressing the Import Color Styles button. Now all exported color styles are saved locally. In the same way, I need to transfer text and effect styles from the components library. In case when the styles are already exist, the empty states button will be hidden and you can use the overflow menu for import. All styles are transferred. We can stop here, but we shouldn't, because all components I use the local styles instead. So let's fix this. First, I need to connect external styles file. I'm publishing my new library and then going to the design system file to enable external styles. Next, I need to go to the external styles file, pick styles that should be used as a new masters, and press the Set as Target button. Finally, I have to press the Relink Layer Styles option in the design system file. About 3,500 layers were linked to new masters, and now all my color styles are linked to the external styles library. And I'm doing the same for text styles. Set as target in the external styles file and relink styles in the design system file. You can see that my text styles are linked to an external styles library as well. In the same way, I'm relinking effect styles. Remember, reconnection happens only for styles with the same names. And now I can delete all my local styles, because they are not used more in my design system. That's transferring and relinking styles. Let me show you another example. There is my original design system with local styles, and this time I'm going to make some redesigns. But only one dev team is ready to implement changes right now, so I need to have two design system versions for a while. Let me show you how to quickly reconnect mockups between different design system versions. I'm creating a duplicated version of the design system and calling it version 2. Then I'm doing exactly the same with my mockups file. Now I'm going to make some visual updates to my components and styles. I want to change accent color to make them a bit more blue. And I have to update all accent styles used for states. And also I want to remove extra graphic on my switcher control to make it more simple and clear. All changes are finished, and I'm publishing new version of the design system. As the last step, I'm connecting new version of the design system to duplicated mockups. Now everything is ready to reconnection. First, I need to specify all target components that will be used as a new masters. Next, I need to call relink instances from the mockups file. And that's it! As you can see, there are new color styles and updated switcher control in my mockups. Remember that components must have the same name to relink, and for variant, the same properties and values names. Alternatively, you can have versions just for the specific components. Both versions will be the same name, but you can use description as a version tooltip. I've made changes, and I'm posting design updates. As usual, first I need to set targets, but this time only for switcher component, and call the relink instances from the mockups file. So now I can use both component versions for a while and control which version is currently connected. I really hope the DSO gives you more flexibility in your work. Bye!